Exploring American travel trends in 2024, a comprehensive look at the resurgence of international travel. Intro. Good evening, viewers. In tonight's special feature, we're exploring the remarkable resurgence in international travel among Americans in 2024. After years of restrictions and uncertainties, U.S. citizens are not just returning to the skies, they are doing so in record-breaking numbers. We will examine which destinations are drawing American tourists, the significant shifts in travel preferences, and the economic dynamics at play. Furthermore, we'll offer insights into emerging travel hotspots and practical advice for navigating this new era of global exploration. The trend. According to the latest data from the International Trade Administration, the surge in travel isn't just a fleeting trend. In March 2024 alone, nearly 6.5 million Americans traveled internationally, marking the highest March figure in over 5 years. This resurgence is part of a broader pattern observed throughout the year, with each month consistently surpassing the travel figures of both the previous year and the pre-pandemic year of 2019. Analysts suggest that this boom is driven by the pent-up demand from the COVID-19 pandemic, often referred to as revenge travel, where individuals are eager to make up for lost time. Destinations. Diving deeper into the destinations, there is a noticeable shift in where Americans are choosing to travel. Regions such as Asia and Central America have seen impressive increases in American tourists, with growths of 33% and 30% respectively over the previous year. Mexico continues to lead as a preferred destination, with a whopping 39% increase compared to pre-pandemic levels, thanks to its close proximity, cost-effectiveness, and less restrictive pandemic entry requirements. On the other hand, Canada and Oceania are lagging behind in recovery, possibly due to their more prolonged travel restrictions during the pandemic. Economic impact. While the desire to travel is high, economic factors are playing a crucial role in shaping travel decisions. The rising costs associated with travel, including airfares and accommodation, are becoming a significant concern. A recent survey indicates that about 22% of Americans are foregoing travel plans primarily due to inflation and heightened travel expenses. Nevertheless, those choosing to travel are spending generously, with an average budget of $3,594 for their summer travels, reflecting both a willingness and a financial preparation to indulge in their long-awaited vacations. Emerging destinations. For those adventurous travelers looking for new and less crowded destinations, Albania has emerged as a compelling choice. This hidden European gem is attracting attention for its beautiful beaches, historical sites, and relatively low tourist footprint. The country's tourism infrastructure has seen significant improvements, making it more accessible and appealing to international visitors seeking unique and authentic experiences. Crowds and avoidance. However, not all popular destinations are equally appealing to those looking to avoid crowds. Japan, for example, has seen a 50% increase in American tourists compared to 2019. For travelers aiming to avoid destinations crowded with tourists, especially from their own country, it might be wise to consider less traveled paths or visit during off-peak seasons. Travel credit cards. Amidst these trends, savvy travelers are turning to travel credit cards to enhance their travel experience and maximize rewards. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is highly recommended for its flexibility in point transfers and significant bonus offers. For those averse to annual fees, the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card offers a straightforward rewards system without extra costs. Meanwhile, the luxury seeker might consider the Platinum Card from American Express, renowned for its exclusive travel perks and access to luxury travel facilities. Closing. As we move further into 2024, the landscape of international travel continues to evolve, presenting both opportunities and challenges. By understanding these trends, American travelers can better plan and optimize their global journeys. Whether it's choosing an emerging destination like Albania or leveraging the best travel credit cards, informed choices can lead to more enjoyable and effective travel experiences. Keep tuning in for more updates and travel insights. Safe travels and good night.